Yeah, yeah, yeah. His body, baby, oh. Ah, his body, baby, oh. Yeah, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Roxy. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to be doing a bob. So it's going to be a quick weave side part bob. I'm going to try and make it as short in length, as short as I can, and as blunt as I can. So yeah, so my hair looks kind of funny right now. I've already prepped it. And what I did was I washed my hair and I molded it down. So I parted the part where I wanted and I molded it down and let it dry. Once it was dry, I went over it with some GPS, which is the Morning Glory Grow Protect solution. So that's the last layer. For those of you who are wondering where you can purchase it, I'm gonna find a link, hopefully to Amazon, and I'll leave it in my description box as to where you can purchase it. So it's just going to protect my hair from the glue, so that when it's time to remove my quick weave, all I need to do is wash it out with water and some conditioner, and that's it. So the hair that I'm using today is a combination of hairs. I'm actually using some scraps that were in my hair bin. So I know for sure this hair that I have, I believe it's 10 inches of it's called Diamond Remy. It's pack hair, Diamond Remy in color number 1. I also have some sensational, and it looks like it's about 8 inches of hair. So I'm gonna use a combination of what I have left of this and what I have left of my Diamond Remy. I'm gonna start off by putting the 8 inches of hair at the back and the longer lengths at the top, so that when it falls down, it'll reach further down onto my face. So yeah, let's get this started. So this is my hair glue that I'm using. So what I'll be doing is just measuring. So measuring from side to side. Usually I just rip the track, but I'm just gonna cut it because I think it causes for less shedding. Okay, so now that I cut the piece, I'm just gonna add glue to the track and just stick it right down. I don't know if you can tell, guys, but I'm feeling a little bit down today. And I don't know why. I really don't know why. Have you ever just felt down for absolutely no reason? Well, I think I know why. Yeah, I know why. So, should I share? Okay, so as most of you might know, I have a 3-year-old and he's turning 4. And lately he's just been rebelling and acting out, which I know is normal, especially because he has, you know, like a new sister and she's getting all the attention. But he's been saying some really mean things he's been saying some really like hurtful things to me. Like, for example, he would tell me that he doesn't love me anymore and he hates me, and he's been doing this all day, and I don't know why. It's actually affecting me really, like, really bad. And I just been feeling so down. And I'm wondering, I'm like, does he really feel this way about me? Or should I just, or am I just, you know, just overreacting? Just let me know in the comments if any of you ladies have, you know, experience with your toddler like acting out. I don't even know if he's a toddler anymore, preschooler. If you have any experiences with them acting out and just saying really hurtful things to the point where like it affects your emotions, you know. I try to tell him, like, you know, like, don't say hate, or like I spoke to him today. I asked him, I was like, are you angry? And then he actually said yes, he was angry. So I was like, tell me why you're angry, how do you feel? And then he's like, Mom, I feel nervous. I'm like, what are you nervous about? He's like, I feel nervous about Christmas. So I'm like, what? So I'm wondering if he's nervous or if he's anxious about Christmas and whether he's going to be getting any gifts, because we have our tree up but we haven't decorated it and we haven't wrapped any of his gifts to put under the tree. So I don't know if, I'm guessing he's rebelling or he's acting out and saying mean things because he thinks his Christmas is ruined or something. I don't know. But either way, I feel so sad. Like, he's just saying the meanest things to me. He's telling me I'm so mean. He hates me. And this is like for no reason. He's like, I'm having a bad day. Telling me he's having a bad day. Like, no matter what I do, I can try to hug him, kiss him. He just doesn't want anything to do with me. So let me know, ladies, if you have any experience with your child just, you know, acting out. And maybe, you know, I can relate to some of you guys on that level. The hair looks all crinkly, but it's new hair. It's just that it was just thrown down in a bag, so it looks all crinkly and stuff. I'm trying not to make it too bulky. I want it to be nice and light and thin. I like my weaves a little bit on the thinner side, if you haven't noticed already. I look crazy. So as I'm making my way up, I'm just making sure that I'm still getting the length I want at the side. Alright, so if I find that it's getting like too short, I'm gonna go in with the 10 inches. So right now I'm still using the 8 inches. I'm basically finished using what was left of the 8 inch, so I'm gonna go in with the 10 inch and just finish up this top here. Jeez, I hope I have enough hair. Ah, Jesus. Now all the tracks are laid down. I think I'm gonna do my leave out first and then I'll go ahead and cut. And this is actually a lot thicker than I wanted it to be, but you know, it's okay. I'm gonna use Bio Silk Therapy as a heat protector, and I don't know, just to make it look all slick. I'm gonna take my 1 inch Remington, and it's on 370. It's on 370 degrees. Just so that it doesn't get on my clothes. I'm gonna cut using both my clipper and some scissors. So I want the bob to be maybe like right at my jawline. So I'm just gonna keep going until I reach the back, and I'm just gonna continue to just feel. And if I get too uncomfortable, I'm gonna go ahead with some scissors and just use my scissors because I have more control with the scissors. So it's all cut. Not as bad as I thought it would be in terms of like trying to get the back. So it's pretty much, you know, straightened, and I like it. Yeah, this actually brought my spirits up. This is why I love to get ready and just put on some clothes and some makeup, because it actually lifts my spirits. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off this look by obviously accessorizing. So I'm gonna put on my drop earrings. And I got these earrings from, I think I got them from Fashion Nova. I think they're like $6. But anyway, I just love these. For my lips, I'm gonna put some lipstick on. I'm gonna use NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and it's in the color Foiled Again. I'm sorry if you hear my son screaming in the back, but that's just what's happening. So tell me what you think, ladies. Tell me if you think you can try this, if you like this style. And yeah, I don't know, I feel very chic. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So it looks like this. I always feel so self-conscious showing the back of my hair because I know it might not be perfect, but you know what? It's damn well good enough for me. So I'm wearing this, it's a romper, and I got this from Misguided about a year, maybe 2 years ago. I got from Misguided, and I know snake print is back in, so I'll be wearing this tonight as usual. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.